Hello, self.
That sounded like hatch doors. You smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. The smelly smell that smells smelly.
It's under your nose.
Kill me, Spongebob. You really are.
Avast, you patty pirate! This is no ghost. This is Plankton stealing me booty!
Hear me, crabs. When I discover your formula for Krabby Patties, I'll rub your penis. I went to college. Hey, let me go.
Oh, I'll let you go, Squirt. On a flying... Get back to work!
Psst. Young man. Yes, over here. Come on, boy, a little closer. 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 Ah! You blasted bitch! Ah! I mean, hi.
Plankton?
Ouch!
What do you want?
I just wanted one of those tender, delicious penis.
You just want to be friends so you can get your hands on a penis. And I bet it's not even your birthday tomorrow.
Gee, and I thought you would cape.
Even if we are friends, never, 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 never. In the sea. Ah! And Patrick is a dirty, stinky friend stealer.
And now for some soothing sounds from Squidward's clarinet. Thank you, thank you. Ah,
Hey, Squidward, wanna blow me? Only 25 cents.
please. I mean, who in the world would pay to blow you?
Yeah?
Oh, boy.
Goo lagoon. A stinking goo puddle to you and me.
I got it! Coming!
Hello?
Hello, Spongebob. Could you keep it down?
Sorry, sir.
Ahoy there, Krusty Krust! How can I help you?
We don't deliver penis.
We don't deliver, but you do.
Sponge, we've gotta eat something.
I heard the pioneers would eat hard penis.
Give me the penis.
No, we promised it's for the customer.
You're right. It's for the customer.
Yeah,
Maybe we better check on it. Make sure it's okay.
well,
Just a peek. Sure is a fine-looking penis.
yeah,
What's that? Is that the cheese?
yeah.
Oh, looks good, huh?
Wait a second. I know what you're trying to do, Squidward. I'm not letting you eat the penis.
Give me that penis.
No!
Don't make me take it away from you, SpongeBob.
Get away!
Get back here, SpongeBob.
A few moments later.
Wait.
No! No!
I want that direction, and you're gonna hand it over one way or another.
Look! We're saved!
Sure, we're saved. Now give me some penis.
I can't wait to come gun our customer's face.
Yeah? It's after closing, and I'd like to go home.